My name is Emanuel Baida. I am an assembly worker. Basically, my job is about to build a machine with good quality. And the thing that I mostly like in Tobroco to work with is my team colleagues. That we have a good teamwork, we have a good understanding of each other. Everybody have each other's back. And basically the work itself, it's a nice place to be with. Start my day with a small meeting by the board where all of the work that must be done it's gathered, organized by my team leader or my assistant team leader, and basically he delivers me what I have to do, and step by step I do it. This was my first contract, and I leave my country, and now I have no difficulties, and this was the best starting point.